Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. A book presentation edited by the Secretary of the Rector Major and co-spokesperson of the congregation, Father Joseph Costa, was held at the Vatican's Collegio Teutonico on today, May the 30th, 2023. In words and images, the book documents the travels of the 10th successor of Don Bosco throughout 2022 and the first months of 2023 and provides an account of the vast work of animation being carried out to meet the family of Don Bosco on all continents in person. To meet, encourage, review and leave again with joyful hope. This is how Father Costa defines the itinerary accomplished by the 10th successor of Don Bosco, who has the task of leading a worldwide congregation opening in 136 countries around the world, not only remotely, staying at the central headquarters, but as much as possible in person. Because nothing, not even in the digital age, can replace the value of presence and relationships, first and foremost with young people, the privileged recipients of Salesian pedagogy. It is no coincidence that the Salesian sacrament of presence among young people is the expression coined by Father Angel Fernandez Artime himself to encourage all Salesians around the world to never forget the centrality of that direct and immediate contact that fosters knowledge, produces sharing, creates exchange and educational passion. The long-awaited book on the 110-year history of the Salesian Brigade of the Malta was presented last Friday, 26 May, at its offices in the presence of a large crowd which included current and past members every age. The Salesian Brigade was founded in 1910 in the oratory of Slema, opened by Don Rua in 1908. This Salesian Catholic lay organization is open to children and young people, and its mission is to take care of children through a non-formal learning program based on the Salesian spirit and Catholic teaching. Now, the Salesian Brigade wanted to collect its long history in a book which highlights how this organization has always been an essential part of the Salesian oratory in reaching children and young people and in providing them with Salesian educational approach. The St. John Breckmans province of northern Belgium and the Netherlands had the animation visit of Father Gildacio Mendes dos Santos, General Counsellor for Social Communications, from the 20th to 24th of May 2023. This was the first visit of the Brazilian Salesian to the province, and he got to know several Salesian works as well as other organizations in the media landscape of the province. The first day was dedicated to the meeting of Salesian cooperators. It became the start of an extensive program during which Father Gildacio was introduced to a number of works such as Don Bosco Media, Don Bosco Formation and Animation, Don Bosco Riswick, Don Bosco Assel and the Provincial House. He also met with external partners to give a clear picture of the role of media in our society. Thus, there was ample time also for interesting exchanges with Loja, Halloween, Kerknet, Kerkenleven and Stamp Media. The second Africa-Madagascar Region Salesian Brothers Congress is being held in Yaoundé, Cameroon from 24th to 29th of May. The first day of the Congress was dedicated to the vocation of the religious brother in the church and to strengthening of the complementarity between the different figures of Salesian vocation. The opening ceremony began with evening prayer in honor of Mary Help of Christians on Wednesday, 24th May, followed by the presentation of the general program by the organizers. The warm words of welcome from Brother Albert Ramadan, who expressed his gratitude to all participants, marked the beginning of the event, while the opening address by the Superior of Our Lady of Africa, Vice Province of Equatorial Tropical Africa, Father Roland Mensah, expressed the appropriate tone and spirit for the days to come. The first day Congress work, Thursday 25th of May 2023, was dedicated to exploring the vocation of the religious brother in the church. The second working day of the Africa and Madagascar Region Salesian Brothers Congress on Friday 26th May 2023 was dedicated to the event's general theme, Walking with Raphael and Tobias, Cycling with Archimedes. Here is an overview of the activities. The day began at 6:30 a.m. with meditation, offering participants time for quiet and contemplation. At 7 a.m., the celebration of the Eucharist, celebrated by Father Jos Kutiani Matatil, gave a spiritual focus to what followed, reminding everyone of the need to open themselves to divine grace and fraternal communion under the inspiration of Saint Philip Neri. After breakfast, the participants gathered at 8:45 a.m. for a summary of the previous day, an exercise that gave the opportunity to retrace the highlights. At 9 a.m., it was the turn of Father Alphonse Uwudu, SDB Regional Councillor for Africa, Madagascar, to come to the speaker's table. He led a captivating session on the theme of the Congress, walking with Raphael and Tobias, cycling with Archimedes, and shared some inspired reflections on how these figures can be models for the life and work of Salesian brothers. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.